everybody, it's Holly from Baby Gizmo and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Britax Juniper Stroller. This is a great travel stroller. It weighs under 15 pounds. It fits a large child, and with the one-handed rapid fold, it pretty much folds itself. So let's take a look. So let's start with the seat. The seat accommodates up to 50 pounds. It is wide at 14 inches wide with a 19-inch seat back and a measurement from the back of the seat to the top of the canopy of 29 inches. So you can fit a big kid in this seat. Now it has a 5-point padded harness, and it is a no rethread harness, which means you're not going to have to rethread it through the seat when your child grows. You just slide this up and down, which I love. It has a ventilated seat back to keep your child cool in the summer, and the buckle's kind of hard to do, which is a good thing because if you have an escape artist toddler, they're not going to be escaping the seat. You do have to give it kind of a good push and pull the pieces out like that. And what I love even more is you can make this a 3-point harness, but it doesn't fall apart. Some of those strollers, you take it apart and then you're putting together a puzzle piece. Not with this one. You actually have to try to get these pieces apart in order to get it to be the 3-point harness. But like I said, it doesn't just fall apart when you open it, which I love. Now it has an adjustable calf or leg rest. This is all the way up, and then it goes all the way down to there. There is a little platform for your older child to set their feet, and then you just lift it up, and that makes it go up and down really easy. Now I love the fact that there is a baby bumper bar, because the baby bumper bar, it is like a faux leather. A lot of travel strollers don't come with baby bumper bars, so I love that this one does. It's one of those swing away, you can remove it like that. Really great baby bumper bar, so I'm really glad it has that. Now let's go to the recline. Now it isn't a full recline, so this is for 6 months up to 50 pounds. This is as upright as the seat gets. As you can see, not quite all the way upright, but pretty darn close. I think it's comfortable. Then the strap system. It's not the easiest thing. It's not my favorite thing on the entire stroller, but the strap system, in order to put it back, you just squeeze. So putting it back is actually very easy. It's one of those infinity ones that is all the way reclined for the seat. Now, putting it up, you have to loop these two pieces with your hands and pull like that. Now, easy to do when there's not a child in the seat. When there's a child in the seat, it becomes a little trickier. So that is the recline on the seat. So let's talk about storage on the Juniper. There is a little pocket back here in the back of the canopy. It actually can fit your cell phone, your keys, your wallet, whatever you want to throw in there and have at hand's reach. Now underneath the stroller is the stroller basket. It's a pretty decent size for a travel stroller. I have my fully packed diaper bag right here, and it slides right in with no problem. There is a piece of fabric here that keeps it from falling out, so it does enclose it a little bit. I can also get to the contents from the front of the stroller, and I could still fit a blanket or two underneath here. So I think it's a really good size basket for the stroller. Now let's talk about what the stroller rolls on. We have 6-inch hard rubber wheels on the back. On the front, these are 5-inch hard rubber wheels. They are 360-degree swivel wheels. The stroller also has all-wheel suspension, so that it's going to tackle a little bit of what I call mom terrain. Grass, playground mulch, a little bit of gravel. So I definitely think it's good, but it's a smooth surface stroller, guys. This is not all terrain. This is travel stroller. So I definitely love the fact that it does have suspension, but the wheels are small, so it is for smooth surfaces, you know, at its best performance. The stroller also has a 1-step brake. You just step down here, it's flip-flop friendly. It locks it into place, and then you step back on the back part of it, and that lets it go free. Now let's talk about the handlebar. The handlebar is a fixed handlebar, does not adjust, but it's 41 inches from ground to where I place my hands. And I love the fact that it comes with a cup holder. So many travel strollers don't come with cup holders these days. It is removable, but it does snap on the side here, and it folds with the cup holder attached. So let's talk about the canopy. The canopy is UPF 50. It is waterproof. I love it. It is 3 panels plus the sun visor. Now, would I like for it to go all the way to the baby bumper bar? Of course I would, but this is a pretty decent canopy for a travel stroller. It also has a mesh peekaboo window, Why I like that it's mesh is that it allows air to circulate through the seat when it's a hot day, but plus I can keep an eye on my little rider, and it has a cover, which I love, so that I can keep it closed when, you know, it's raining or something like that. Okay, it's time to fold the stroller. This is my favorite part of the Juniper stroller because the one-handed rapid fold basically folds itself. Now I can't say that it folds itself, but it comes pretty darn close. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the canopy back. There is a little lever for your thumb to slide over. You squeeze, you flip forward, and that's it. Did you see that? It folded itself. It has a built-in handle, has an auto lock, and it weighs less than 15 pounds. This, like I said, great travel stroller. I can do it with a coffee, a baby, anything else in my other hand, because you're basically just starting the fold and then it just does it on its own. It's compact, it's great, fits in pretty much every trunk you could try, and it has that standing fold as well. And it's not a shaky standing fold. As you can see, it doesn't just wobble, it's pretty secure. Unfolding the stroller is just as easy. All you have to do is unlock that side lock, pull up on the handlebar, give it a little shake until everything locks into place, and you are good to go. So very, very easy to do. And I can do that unfold with a baby, so you can do it with one hand as well. It's just such a great stroller. It's great for travel. It's lightweight, it's compact. It almost folds itself. It fits a large child. I mean, what's not to love about it? Leave me a comment, let me know. What is your favorite feature of the brand new Britax Juniper Stroller? And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and please share the video. Bye guys.